AI coming for your job? It's the question on literally everyone's mind, right? Well, today, let's cut through all the noise and get some real answers.
I mean, with all the hype and the crazy headlines, it's so easy to get lost. So let's ask the real question. What does generative AI actually mean for your career?
Okay, let's start with a pretty big number. Get this. Research shows that a staggering 2/3 of all jobs are going to be touched by AI automation. But hold on, what does impacted even mean? This is super important. It's not about replacing people. It's about transforming tasks. You know, the consensus among experts is that AI is going to change how we work, not if we work. And that's a huge difference.
So to get ready for the shift, you need answers that are actually useful to you, not just generic fluff. Think of it like this. A generic chatbot is kind of like a tourist map, broad strokes. What you really need is a detailed blueprint for your specific job in your industry.
So where do you get a blueprint like that? Well, there are tools popping up, like this one called AI and My Job. It's a free, specialized GPT that's built to give you real, evidence-based info that's tailored to your exact role and industry. So instead of asking something vague, you can get super specific, like this. And when you ask a question that detailed, you get a much, much clearer picture of how your actual day-to-day work might really change.
And that's the whole point, isn't it? When you're facing a massive change like this, getting that kind of clarity, well, that's the very first step to actually taking control of your own career. So, what will AI mean for your job? It's your turn to ask. You can check out the AI and My Job GPT yourself. It's totally free and public. You just need a standard ChatGPT account to get started and see what it has to say.